So before you start to figure out what tactics to use to try to implement them, you have to understand the basics when it comes to building a marketing plan. So first you have to building a marketing plan is all around understanding the 5 stages that we go through as a consumer when interacting with a business. So those 5 stages are awareness and engagement, subscription, conversion, ascension, and advocate. And you'll see me go over this over and over and over again because they're so foundational. But awareness and engagement is where you're either getting them to be aware that they have a problem, aware of the solution to the problem, or aware that you are the solution to the problem. Once they're aware that you are the solution to their problems, we need to get them to subscribe. And that doesn't necessarily mean to build your email list, although in some businesses that is the case. But subscription could be also just following you on social media, visiting your website, or picking up the phone and calling you. Once they subscribe, they will need to convert. And conversion, compared to ascension, conversion does not need to be anything that is a huge investment, but it does involve either time or money. So, for example, if we have a law firm and we are driving paid traffic to that law firm, the subscription and conversion stages will actually happen almost coincidentally, making up words, when they pick up the phone and call you. Now that phone call probably be more subscription because the conversion stage will be when they come in for their first consultation. So they'll pick up the phone call, the receptionist will gather information and say, do you want to book a meeting with an attorney? And they'll say yes, and that'll be the conversion stage. Then when they actually sign an agreement to have that attorney represent them, then they'll actually have ascended into the bigger the service packages that are a larger investment. It's only after we have actually engaged with a business do we advocate for them. So you have to go through the majority of the steps beforehand before your clients or prospects will advocate for you, talk about you, leave you a testimonial, etc.